बस
तलाक
अभी तक समझाइए ना भाईजान को भाईजान
तलाक
How these three words, said under just 3 seconds, changed the entire life of a woman and her 5 children. You all must have watched Haqq by now and must be knowing that the movie ended on a positive note. When in 1985, Supreme Court ruled that Muslim divorced women are entitled to maintenance from their husbands under Section 125 of CRPC. But in reality, the fight of Shah Bano to get justice continued till 2001. So right after this 1985 judgment, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, along with common Muslim men, came to the roads protesting against this 1985 judgment as it was against their personal laws. At that time, Rajiv Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India and he did not want to upset his Muslim voters. So in order to please them, he passed Muslim Women Protection of Rights and Divorce Act in 1986. As per the act, the Muslim woman was entitled to receive maintenance from her husband only during Iddat period, which was usually for 3 months, and after that, Waqf board was responsible to give maintenance to these Muslim divorced women. Problem with receiving maintenance from Waqf board was mainly because it was considered as charity, while totally shrugging away the responsibility of a husband who deserted his wife. Years keep passing, and Shah Bano was living in isolation at some place in Indore because of the constant threats and condemnation by society. In 1992, she passed away due to brain hemorrhage. But the legacy, the fight that she started, the movement that she started, did not end with her death. Years later, her previous counsel, Daniel Latifi, filed a writ petition in Supreme Court, challenging the constitutional validity of Muslim Women Act of 1986. And finally, after decades, Shah Bano finally got justice. The Supreme Court in 2001, in the matter of Daniel Latifi and others versus Union of India, held that a Muslim divorced woman is entitled to maintenance under Section 125 of CRPC even after Iddat period from her husband. Shah Bano may not be alive, but it is always inspiring to see how one woman stood up for her rights in history and changed the fate of all the women of her community.